This is the unboxing for the beach blanket I just got from Amazon, and I want to show you what's in the box. Okay, I needed something lightweight that I could take down to the river. There's the brand name on it. This weighs, it's like less than a pound, and that's what I'm looking for. I want everything that's going to be easy to take down there, quick to throw on my backpack, and just walk down there with it. Got a nice drawstring bag. It's really well made. This is nylon. It's like a parachute material. So here we go. I'm going to tip this up a little bit so you can see a little bit better. Here we go. Now you can see more. Okay, so it's in a bag. Now, this is really cool. That's something I really like. Watch this. You got to see this. So you won't lose the bag. It's attached to the blanket. That is such an intelligent move. Okay. Oh, neat. Okay, and these are the stakes so that you pin the blanket down, because you know where there's water, there's usually wind, right? Or kids keep kicking up the edge of the blanket. You want to hold it down. So there's 3 yellow stakes for each corner of the blanket. We're going to put them right here. There we go. Put the stakes right there. And now we're going to see how the rest of the blanket is made. So it's attached on that corner. Open easily. Okay, I'm going to take this up here so you can see it as I'm unfolding it. It's quite large, actually. I've got that. You can see where we live. We live out on a 130-acre farm, and this is why I wanted it, because I like to put it in the backyard. And it's quite large, actually. Okay. It is quite large. It's going to be really, really nice. And I'm going to cover what we're talking about here. What I wanted to show you, not the laying it down on the ground. That's easy. I wanted to show you what this is made out of and the quality. They have, I like, instead of just folding the edges over, they've actually bound it with another nylon stitch. And the stitches are nice and even done on a machine. So it's a good job. And it had, here's your tie down stakes where you're going to put the stake in the corner. Where'd I put those? Those are over here. Okay, so all I'm going to have to do is just put that stake through. It's going to grab on here and straighten the ground. Even the kids can do that. Okay, and there's 4 of them. And this is like a parachute material. It's really, really light. You see how big that is? Normally, if you took like a different blanket, that would be so heavy you wouldn't want to take it down there. But all of this is going to fold up and go back in this bag. And it's going to weigh less than 1 pound. I really like it. And it's really pretty. Nice blue. It's really, really nice. And it's going to do exactly what I want. See all that green out there? That's where we're going to be, out there and down to the river. Okay, out of a 5-star, I would give this, I would give it a 10. Because this is exactly what I'm wanting. Lightweight, good quality, well sewn, materials, good quality, folds back up, nothing's going to get lost. The only thing separate from the rest of it is the stakes, and they're bright enough you can see them and put them back in the bag. But even the stakes fit back in this little bag. So yeah, that's really good.